ACCA after graduation. Now get this right. There are many students who actually get to know about ACCA after doing their graduation, and also they are in their final year of graduation. They tend to take the exemption route with the graduation. Now what happens in here is, what all graduations gets how much exemption. Let me just tell you here. A BCom will get 4 papers exempt, a BBA will get 1 paper exempt, and if you have done any other graduation program, what you can do is head on towards the ACCA website, towards the exemptions calculator, upload your transcripts or your marks memo, and get to know that how many exemptions you are going to get. Alright, that's point number 1 about the exemptions. Now next is which paper you want to get started with and how you need to get started with. See, to apply for registration, you need to submit all your marks memos, your 10th, 12th and your graduation, plus your identity proof, which can be an Aadhaar card, passport, anything. Then comes your registration will be done within a month, because it takes time to go through all the transcripts, and that reflecting in your account, it will take time. Your registration will be done in a week, but to show it in your account with those exemption, it may take some time. Now which paper you want to get started with? If you have done with your BCom, you are remaining with 9 papers. Now with these 9 papers, what papers are there? Performance management, taxation, financial reporting, audit assurance, financial management, and the remaining 4 papers of the professional level. Now understand this, there is no particular format in which you need to go, like go with PM first, tax first, something like that. What you need to do is nothing but go with that paper in which you feel confident in, rather than rather than taking anyone else's suggestion. You take a paper which you are confident in. Alright, go through the content of financial management, go through the content of financial reporting, go through the content of performance management. Look into that which is more confident with you. Go ahead with that paper. And then next, see, the first paper I would always suggest go with 1 paper only. Next, once you get through that 1 paper, what will happen is then you can take 2 papers at a time, then 2 papers, and complete it at the earliest at your own pace. Understand this, the examination is 4 times a year. It is in March, June, September and December. March, June, September and December. And when do you need to apply for the examination is 2 months before the month of examination, as simple as that. So what you need to do is start preparing right now. You can start preparing even right now for the paper which is going to come in September, or the paper for the December. Normally for a professional level, it will take you need to take more than 2 months for preparation, but for a skill level paper, 1.5 month, 1 month is more than enough. See, the point here is you are learning one subject and you are going to give that one subject only, and you can give it. It won't be that burden on you. I hope you guys get that. In previous examination, maybe you may have given 5 exams in a week or 6 examinations in a week. Here you have to give only 1 examination. So you need to prepare fullest here. Then next, what is the type of examination? The examination is going to be computer based. It's going to be computer based. If the lockdown is going to be there, then the examination will be from home, computer based. If not, then there will be centers which will be computer based. Now where is your nearest center? Wherever you are located, you can go towards the ACCA website, check in that which is the nearest examination center to you, or you can even WhatsApp me. In fact, if you're watching this video till now, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and also the bell icon, because you're watching it here. I'm doing this much stuff for you, going places, making videos. So make sure that you also support this particular video and this particular channel. Now moving on, that how the examination pattern is going to be there. Now performance management, taxation, financial reporting and financial management, PM, tax, FR and FM. These examinations are going to be 60% objective, 40% would be descriptive answers. Now how are they going to be? Understand this. The first 60%, which is section A and section B, you would be having multiple choice questions. You will be having scenario based questions, and in the descriptive type questions, what will happen is you need to write down those, or you need to type down those answers in Excel or Word. There's nowhere you need to put it down on pen and paper. In fact, in your examination, if it is from home, you will not be allowed a pen and paper also. And you can give your examination through a proper system is more than enough. You can book your examination. In fact, if you need help in that too, on getting for which examination you want to go ahead with first, you can reach out to me so that we can discuss that. Okay, according to you, which paper would be first. I do not want to give my suggestion to anyone, because I will give my suggestion based on my strengths and weaknesses. You need to take a suggestion, you need to go ahead based on what's your strengths and weaknesses. Alright, so I hope you guys are getting it, and I hope that I have covered all the aspects which is relating towards the BCom side. And if I've missed out any, what you can do is put it down in the comment section. Oh, okay, one second. What about the cost of it? See, the registration, what we charge is 11,800 for the registration. In that, we give you get that 4 papers exempt, and that exemption which you are going to get, that exemption fee also will be discounted. That will come down to 60 pounds, 15 pounds per paper. It will come down to 60 pounds. So that is the benefit which you will get from our side if you register through us. If you go online, what you can see is nothing but you can see the registration fee at a lesser price. But what will happen is you'll have to pay the examination fee of the first 4 papers. All complete fee you need to pay. So that's a benefit if you come through us and get yourself registered. And let us get started with your ACCA as early as possible, and finish it also as early as possible, because in our classroom structure we go through the online classes, we also have the recorded classes, and above all, after those classes we also have the mock examination structure which will help you complete your ACCA at the earliest. Alright, thank you very much for watching. I hope that I have covered all topics. If there is any left out, you can put it down in the comment section, and I'll reply you for sure. Thank you very much. Make sure that you subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon and like this video, so that this video gets shared again and again with more people. Thank you very much.